Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making this beautiful simple dollar sign braid design. So you can braid your dollar sign to have just one stroke in the middle or two. You can have the two sides dangling and then one at the end. You can have just one braid dangling. You can do whatever you want with it. This is the variation I'll be making. I am using this bluish colored Brazilian wool, so I am going to use that to make her hair strong. As you can see, this is natural hair of my beautiful little model. So I have measured the size of the hair. I am going to cut it where I am holding on to the hair and where she is holding on to the hair, so the length of the braid will be like half of this length. So I cut it on both sides and then fold it over and hand it over to her. You will see the way I feed in the Brazilian wool. Sometimes I feed in two and sometimes I feed in one wool at a time. So the first thing you're going to do is make like a number 8 shape, or if that is hard for you, just make two circles, one on top of the second one. So you make the first one close to the ear and then another circle on top of it, or just create the number 8 shape, whichever one is easiest for you. Do that. Take your time to make sure that the lines are neat. For this side that is closer to the face, closer to her edges, for her edges you use the baby hairs to form the number 8 shape. If you want, it's going to make it look better, but if you don't have a lot of edges to work with, then just do what I did. So when I was done with the shape, I'm going to start off and make the two stripes, those bars that run across the dollar sign. So I went to a little bit over the S, just like this, and created like a rectangle, right? And that's the space I sectioned that is going to contain the two braids. So you can see it is kind of thick. Then once I am done with that, I'm going to go ahead and make a line all through the number 8 shape, or the S shape, or the two circles, and then make the two stripe or the two small braids inside. I think the braid is actually finer when the braids inside, like the design is finer when those stripes inside the dollar sign is smaller, but you can still make it the same thickness as the rest of the hair, whichever one you prefer. But I prefer when the two braids inside are smaller. So I just went ahead, made a line from the beginning to the end, and then braided the two stripes, and then you will see how I finish off the rest of the braid. I'm just going to let you watch from here. Please, as you watch my video, if you don't skip the ads, then I can make some money from the video. And guys, look around me, I actually need it just to make things more comfortable over here for my clients, for my models, and just so that we can grow on the channel. We've come this far, we can keep going. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and I promise you I will get